What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your location on an iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Changing your location on an iPhone can be crucial for various reasons. From accessing region-locked content to securing your online activities, one of the most reliable ways to change your iPhone's location is by using a virtual private network, and Privado VPN stands out as a top choice. For those unaware, Privado VPN offers robust features that make it an excellent option for iPhone users looking to change their virtual location. It offers a wide range of servers located in many countries around the world that allow you to easily change your location to virtually anywhere. Whether you're looking to access content available only in the US, UK, Japan, or any other country, Privado VPN got you covered. In addition, Privado VPN boasts strong encryption with its 256-bit encryption security system. This level of security is crucial for protecting your personal information, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. Furthermore, its zero-log policy means Privado VPN does not track or store any of your online activities. This is a vital feature for those concerned with privacy and wanting to keep their internet usage completely anonymous. The best part about the Privado VPN app is that it's user-friendly and it makes it possible for anyone to change their location with just a few taps. This simplicity is perfect for those who are not tech-savvy but still wish to secure their online presence and access geo-restricted content. Above all, where other VPNs might slow down your internet speed, Privado VPN is designed to provide fast connections, minimizing any lag or buffering while streaming or browsing. You can download this VPN from the official Privado VPN site via the link provided in the video description. It's also available on the App Store for your iOS device. Once downloaded, proceed to choose your region from where you want to appear and tap on the connection button to change your location on your iPhone. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.